Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending 8/4 of 2019. This happened on the 1st. The stock was Feye. This is based on a gap carry. That's a stock that had gapped the day prior or a few days prior. That is still an interesting setup. The entry is based on a 1-minute DTS breakdown play, and the management was simple, reward to risk 2.2 to 1. This week, free at DTS, nothing, sorry. It's a week off for the free stuff. This is the middle of the seminar program, and this coming up Saturday is the GAP class, which you can attend on its own, meaning you don't have to be part of the whole seminar program. It is a class that you can take just by itself. You can read about that on the DTS website on the seminars page. And also, if you are not a member, be sure to become a member at DTS. If you got this in your weekly market summary, you are a member, but if you're seeing this on YouTube, hop over to the DTS website, disciplinedtradingstrategies.com, and become a member to get lots of great free information. Daily chart of FEYE. This is what it looked like the prior day. This day it had gapped down a large amount and rallied back a large amount. This is not always the best setup. You have to look at how far the stock gapped, how far it rallied, where it still had left to go, where it stopped, where it's opening the next day. And overall, this ended up being a very nice looking setup the next day. It's not a guarantee. None of these are. But when you have the right setup and the math works, it's worth a shot on some of these, and this worked out very well. So the next day, after the stock looked like that, the next day it looked like that after I traded it. If we take a look at the 15-minute chart, which is probably the most significant chart to judge the entry, the stock had gapped up and rallied that prior day and consolidated, but this next morning it was gapping down a little bit. It was opening right there, and after it opened, it tried to run higher, it fell, and fell lower for the day. A lot of times these setups I like to try and take, here's the 5-minute chart, as it runs up into that consolidation. This one, however, is a little dicier because it was a gap carrier, not quite sure what they're going to do. So I want to see it fail first. So the entry in this one, here's where it gapped to right there. And the entry in this, I took that little entry right in there. Some of you may recognize that as a continuation play, but I'll show you on the next chart all that really is. It's very simple, it's nothing fancy. And the entry here, 1472, stop 1486. Because I waited for that, I went with the snugger stop above that little consolidation. I'll show you in a minute. Did a good job on targets on this one. Target 1 at the low of that initial drop. Very quick target on the first one, but a very nice target. You take that quick immediate run always. Target 2, obviously somewhere in here I got the stop down and let it run. Got the stop down again. It had a nice hard drop. Got target 2 way down there, which was very nice. And target 3 was end of the day. Took it right to the end of the day. And a nice overall trade. Entered early in the day. Barely watched it all day. Managed it a couple times. Nice play overall. The 1-minute chart just gives you a better view of that entry. That consolidation, that little small bar you see on the 5-minute chart is really this consolidation on the 1-minute chart. Using that as the entry and entry right down there. And you can't see the targets on here. Well, you can see the first one a little bit, but you can't see the rest of them because they're off the chart. This play, like all the others done in the DTS Trading Room, come visit the website, disciplinedtradingstrategies.com, and visit the services page to find out about signing up for a trial to the DTS Trading Room. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.